Before you start, make sure you smash this subscribe button. Click the bell icon to be notified for every video. We upload 2 times a day. Namaste!
Perfect. Hi everyone. I'm so excited today because I'm going to show you how to make a sage smudge stick. And it's gonna be a very special one though. Even though I'm not gonna be using the traditional sage that the Native Americans are using, it's just common sage. It still has very, very cleansing powers. Let me show you a leaf very close. It smells amazing. I cannot even explain. You just have to take one of these in your hands and try it yourself. It has this amazing ability to restructure the molecules, the crystal structure of the air. So it's very, very good for cleansing your house and generally from raising the vibration in your house or wherever you light it up. So I'm gonna make it a little bit extra special though, because I'm gonna add on flowers, and I didn't pick up like any special variety of flowers. These are just flowers I found around our garden, and some of them, as you can see, are already dry because they have been naturally dying on the stem, but I'm still going to include them because they will dry anyways on the smudge. And the reason I'm adding flowers is because they will add an extra hint on the vibration to bringing some other vibrations like love and happiness and joy, and to make it really extra special. So I'm just gonna show you. I have enough salve. I have picked. I already kind of made my bundles. I'm gonna make 2 smudge sticks, and I'm gonna use this beautiful cord, which is a combination of green and yellow, and because green is the heart chakra, and I just want to empower even more the vibration of this sage. As you can see, I have put some crystals around here because you want to, when you're making something like this, you want to keep your vibration high, because whatever intention you put in here will affect as well afterwards how it's going to work. So as you can see, our sage from the garden has been very, very abundant, and I literally have like 3 sticks here. That's 3 sticks of sage. Look how much it is. I'm not going to arrange the flowers in any special way. I'm just gonna add them on just like so, because I want it to, you know, to be authentically kind of dispersed. Okay, I'm gonna try to use all the leaves. Okay. And this tiny flower here I'm going to include as well. So what you want to do first is really put everything together at the end like this, and to make it easier for the further work. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it as even as possible here, and to put as much as possible the leaves up, and then you just want to tie it up here, which will give you stability to continue to wrap up the rest. Okay, I did forget my scissors, so I'll just have to use this. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut a very, very long string, and I'm gonna tie it up somewhere in the middle, and you will understand in just a moment the reason for that. It's raining outside, guys. I don't know if you can hear it. There's some cars passing as well. Okay, that should do it. Put this somewhere in the middle. It's approximately the middle of my cord. And you want to tie this up as tight as possible, because this will dry, and once it dries out, it will become even it will shrink. Okay, I'm gonna do like this several times. And then you just want to make a knot here. Again, make it as tight as possible, but be careful for your string not to break. Mine is kind of like cut at some places. You know, I'm using a string that my grandmother used to have. Okay, that's perfect. If you want to make it really nice here at the end, what you can do is you can just cut off the ends and try to make it more even. This will make it very nice when you're holding it. Mine was kind of even already. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, I am going to tie it up a little bit more here at the end, just a few times like this, and then it comes back. Okay, and this makes it really nice to hold, and it's very, very beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna continue with the same string. Now I'm gonna continue upwards. And what I'm going to do is my idea is to use the one string in one direction and the other in another direction. So you just are rolling around the string around the bundle. Making it again as tight as possible. Put everything together. a little bit more bulky. I'm just holding with one hand and the other one I'm using to wrap it up like this. Don't worry if your string finishes, you can always add more. It's not a problem at all. Whatsoever. And some people like to cut this end off, others leave it. I'm just gonna leave mine. Okay. I'm gonna straighten it a little bit. And look how beautiful it comes out on the side with the flowers. Isn't that pretty? Okay. I'm going to just tuck that underneath the last wrapping here. Is just to keep it stable, and once the two strings meet at the end, I'm going to tie them up together, actually, which will make it more stable. Okay, I'll leave it for now like this. Oh, the string is really nice. And the other string, I'm gonna do the other way around, the opposite direction. Hope you can see. So they become like this. Okay. And here is already much easier because we already have the stability of the first string, but the second string will help you to strengthen it even more if you need. Okay, here you can catch some more leaves. So you can do this also with already dry sage. It's just a little bit more challenging. And if you're using dry sage, what you want to do, my yellow string kind of vanished here. If you're using dry sage, it's easier if you actually wet it beforehand, to wrap things up easier. Okay. It's just as easy as that. You don't need to spend, you know, money on something that you can make yourself. Plus, you will enhance it with your own vibration. How beautiful is that? Okay, here I already met the two strings and I'm just gonna tie them together. Like this. I'm gonna try to cut with this thing, even though it's very difficult. Okay, it's perfect. And your smudge stick is ready, guys. It's just as easy as that. Look how beautiful it came out. And you can make it too. I hope you give it a try. And the right way to use it, you want to leave this, you can just leave it hanging somewhere on the wall or in a beautiful place. It's a very nice decoration by itself. And you let it dry like this for about a month until it's really very well dry. You will be able to feel it with your hands. And once it's dry, you can use it. You just light up the end and it will start smudging. And to bless your house, to use it, you actually go around the room with it in a circle pretty much, and you want to pass each corner of each room to have the best effect with your purest intention, because when you are making this, it matters the intention that you're putting, the frequency, the vibration that you're in. And that's it. I hope it will help you and that you will give it a try. And I'm sending you lots of love and positive vibrations. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time.